Dax, and I'm just waiting for my sister. And it's me, Amelia, and from the Amelia channel. Yeah, I'm Amelia. And hi, I'm Dax. Oops, I missed it. And Dax. Okay, Dax, video. So we're gonna be doing fruit tours, and we haven't done a room tour since forever. So let's do a room tour today, and we're gonna start off with Dax's room. So, don't judge, it's messy. I fixed it. Okay, Dax is gonna show his room. I'm gonna videotape him, and he's gonna show his room. The cool thing about it is we don't have to turn on the light. We just have to do this. Okay, Google, turn on Dax's light. See? And then it just turns on. So don't judge his room. I know you guys have a messy room, right, Dax? Yeah. First up, it's my trophy. This is my third place T-ball division. Yes. Yeah, and then he has this trophy. This one. It's really big. And then, oops, those are his trophies. And then here's all his room. And then that, and that. His bed is not made. But then plaque. And then his plaque astronauts. That's him in the middle. It says Dax down here. And then that's him just by himself. And then this is my basketball. His medal. And then basketball. And then here's me and Dax both had these. It's from our school. They gave it to us. And here's my reading. He reads very good. And this is my memorial one. And that I was moving into pre-K. Okay. Let's look at his closet. Okay. It's color coded. Dax and ours is color coded because. And then here's all his other clothes up here. And then this is all our mom and dad's clothes because they have it. We just moved in, so they don't have closet yet. So let's go to my room. Okay, Google, turn on Dax's light. You can do it, but Dax, you don't know if we can turn it. Okay, Google. Turn off Dax's light. So the cool thing about my light and fan is this remote controls the light. Controls the thing. I like it to be on this one. So my bed is made on Dax's, and here is I have Barbie dolls down here. I have this is my stuffies, and then here's some more stuffies down here, and then these are dogs. And then let's move on to my medals. This is it's a plastic medal. Yeah. This is my memorial medal. This one is my dance medal. This is dance first. I have two of them because I did two. And then I have the same one as that. Then of course. And now I'll show you I have baby dolls right there. And yeah, right here. And then I have my purses for special occasions. I have this purse. Yeah. And then I have this one. Now we're gonna show the closet. I'm in the closet. Mine is color coded, just you can't see it. And then I have my uniforms, and then same as Dax, I have some up here. And a suitcase because there's no clothes in there. And then there's my dress-up clothes. And guys, don't judge my hair. Yeah, he didn't do his hair today. And yeah, basically that's it. And Dax, do you want to cut us off? Or I'll cut us off. And please like and subscribe and turn on notifications. notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. And thanks for watching.